Hi friends, I'm back with another topic today, and the topic for today is why victimize when we can be victorious. I have seen people victimizing themselves for a long amount of a time for a particular situation. And my say is, why would you victimize yourself all the time? Like, just like you don't feel happy all the time, why would you feel yourself in pain all the time? I know pain is no fun, right? Because fears, insecurities, everything, doubts, everything is attached to it. But what I want to tell you is, why do you want to be victimized all the time? How will you look towards your growth, or if you keep victimizing yourself towards a particular situation? You have to come out of that pain after some time, right? You cannot stay in pain. God did not create you for that pain. Your parents did not raise you for feeling that pain all the time. Yes, it is a very natural feeling and it does come, but we have to deal with it. We have to come out of it so that we can be victorious. We can look towards our growth. Like, we can look towards the plans that we have made for our life. We all know what we deserve, right? So it's better to focus on what we deserve. We write that out, we can write that out, we can make a plan for it, and we can look towards the goal every other day than feel rather than feeling victimized all the time. Self pity speeches that you keep giving yourself, no, you don't need to give them to yourself. Give yourself self empowering speeches. Like, swap them up. You don't deserve that self pity speeches that you give yourself all the time and console yourself all the time for being in a particular situation. Your parents are looking forward to a bright future for you, no matter what age you are. So better look towards goal. Better look towards victory. Do not victimize yourself. The pain that you are feeling does not belong to you. You are here to be victorious. You are here to fulfill your life's purpose. You are not here to feel fear, insecurities all the time. That does not belong to you. You are not meant for it. Just like you, sometimes you say, you know what, this happiness doesn't belong to me. No, you are wrong. This pain doesn't belong to you. The self doubt does not belong to you. You have to self empower yourself so that you can go out and run towards your goals rather than running in pain all the time. Pain is not yours. Victory is yours. The whole world is looking out for your uniqueness, is open for you. But only if you try to come out of that victimized situation you are in right now. You have to help yourself by giving yourself self-empowering speeches, by stopping that self-pity speeches. No, we don't want that consolation. No, everything will go right and it will all be fine. No, we don't want that. We know that everything will be fine after some amount of time. We have to give that time to ourselves, to our situation. But the thing is, we cannot feel victimized all the time. It might be a big thing for you. I do understand that it is very easy to say than done. But what I am trying to say is, you cannot stay in that situation. That's not a healthy situation. That's not the situation you are meant to be. You are meant to be greater things in life. You are meant for greater things. And I'm not kidding, I'm not consoling. That is the truth for each one of us. We are here for fulfilling our life's purpose. But we can go towards our life purpose only when we are looking towards growth, when we are looking towards what we deserve and what should be we doing for the world, for ourselves, for our family. So stop victimizing yourself and start looking towards the victory that you are made of. I am not here to say your pain is not valid or your emotions are not valid or the situation is not what you are saying. I am just saying you're meant for good things in life. Your parents are looking forward to a better future for you. Your spouses, your friends, everybody is looking forward to you for a brighter future. So please focus on being victorious. Please do not victimize yourself. You are not here to victimize yourself. You are here to fulfill your life's purpose. Just go and do it. That's it. Don't victimize. Look towards victory. Okay? Bye.